Hey, we're back with Dusty, little Yorkie here, and what we're doing is we're working on his recall. We're working together as a team, but Kelly and I calling him between us. We've also got a little different. We've got a little bit of cheese out here today for his reward. You know, he
Go ahead.
Like that little bit different.
Go ahead.
Dusty. Good. This little guy was a biter, you know. He would bite at ankles and just, you know, tear up the back of heels, etc. all the time. But what we're doing is using our collar the same as every other dog, yeah, conditioning it the same.
Dusty! Go ahead.
Dusty! Good.
Dusty! Good.
So when Kelly's calling Dusty back, I'm just completely ignoring him. On his back to be facing away from us.
Go ahead.
Dusty! Good.
Dusty! Good. Dusty! Good.
Just something to note, with Dusty we've got a Dogtra IQ on him, perfect for this size little dog. People say to me, you know, you can't use pager remote e-collars
Dusty!
on little dogs. You know, the IQ is perfect for this type of dog.
Go ahead.
Dusty! Good. Alright guys, more updates soon.